Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have number 4 and number 2. We can do about factorization. Next, number 2 in here, that's about 1 plus 1. And we know that 1 minus s we can transform into the square root of 1 minus s to the power of 2. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of 1 minus s. If we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have negative ds over number 2 with the square root of 1 minus s. Because we don't have negative 1 over 2, so we put negative number 2 go in here. So this one we change for u. This one we change for u. ds over the square root of 1 minus s. We change for negative number 2 du. Number 2 divided by number 2. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equal to arctan of u. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have dt equals to du over u squared plus 1. About arctan of u, we change for t. Du over u squared plus 1, we change for dt. And now we can get the final answer. The integration of t to the power of 3, we have t to the power of 4 over 4, and we put about c. About t, that's about arctan of u. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching. This is the end. Thank you for watching.